You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you.
Hello there everyone, welcome to G-Shop channel guys. You're seeing a bubble plastic, right? So this is a bubble plastic. This is a bubble plastic and I am going to make 3R with this bubble plastic. 3R means recycle, reduce, and reuse. So why is reduce? I am going to reduce a garbage. So I'm not gonna throw this away. So instead I'm going to reuse this one and recycle. And this came from an online shop. So this used for wrapping items when it delivered. And also I have here materials such as garter, black thread, and of course needle because I'm going to sew it by my hand, and also a scissor. So that's it guys for our materials. So let's go guys. Let's get 3R, reduce, recycle, and reuse. So stay tuned guys. Keep watching till the end so that you'll know what I'm going to make from this bubble plastic. So let's go. putting the garter. Now I'm going to close this tiny hole here so that the garter won't come out. There it is. I'll close it now. And this is the end of my recycling. And I can wear this one and show you guys. So, oh, this is done. Done. One more. And close it. Okay, done. It's already done. See the outcome of this. So, okay. And this is it, guys. My shower cap. And my cap, when I color my hair, I can use this for coloring my hair with black color to cover my hair. So, guys, let's check it out when it's good or not for me. So, guys, let's check it out if it's nice for me. So, I have to, tie my hair, not this, down. So, I'm gonna tie my hair first so that this thing will fit on my head. Just hold on. I'm gonna tie my hair. Just this. Yeah. I am gonna model my own made shower cap. So this is it, guys. So this is it. Look at that. Look at that. This. Yeah. So this is it, guys. I can use this for a shower.